What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of this expression with and without using the chain rule. Let's start with without. We need to find out the derivative of fx, which is x cubed minus 1 to the power of 2. So derivative of f of x with respect to x. So I'm gonna have x cubed minus 1 prime times x cubed minus 1. Because that one I can write it as x cubed minus 1 times x cubed minus 1. So I'm going to use the product rule. Plus x cubed minus 1 times x cubed minus 1 prime. You remember the product rule is uv prime, u prime v plus u v prime. So derivative of x cubed minus 1 is 3x squared times x cubed minus 1 plus x cubed minus 1 times derivative of x cubed minus 1, which is going to be 3x squared. Then when you expand it, it's going to be 3x to the power 5 minus 3x squared plus 3x to the power 5 minus 3x squared. That's going to be 6x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power of 2. Or if you basically factor that, you can factor 6x squared is going to be x cubed minus 1. Now let's use chain rule. So I'm going to write it again. F of x equals to x cubed minus 1 to the power of 2. It is going to be like that. When you have u squared and you find out the derivative, is going to be 2u to the power of 2 minus 1 times u prime. So it's going to be 2 times x cubed minus 1 to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 1, times derivative of x cubed minus 1, which is 3x squared. So it's going to be 6x squared times x cubed minus 1. So as you see here, you got exactly the same expression at the top. So I just wanted to show you the difference between using chain rule or finding the derivative without using the chain rule for this example. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.